everybody. Today I'm going to teach you some outdoor cooking again, and maybe you want to make this meal for a special occasion, maybe Valentine's Day, maybe your husband's birthday, if your wife likes steak, because today we're going to be cooking up some delicious cowboy steaks and they're going to be awesome. So let me tell you about the ingredients we need while our pan is getting nice and hot. This is a gas camp chef stove, and this is what we've got. 2 awesome New York steaks here from Costco. I put salt and pepper on them. I let them get to like a nice room temperature. I did take the meat mallet and pound it down just a bit to make it more tender, but you're gonna need some thyme, some fresh thyme. It can be dried thyme too, but I like to use this stuff here. You're gonna need some garlic. I used about 4 to 5 cloves and smashed them up. They're not minced, they're just whole smashed, or you can half them. And then I've got some delicious Kerrygold grass-fed butter. Okay, so that's the basics of what we need here, and that's it for these cowboy steaks. So once you let that salt and pepper really get down in there, but you could use any rub that you like. I just like this. Now we're gonna get it going here. So to your hot cast iron pan, and I'm gonna highly recommend you use cast iron. It does create a nice even sear. We're gonna sear this baby up and then we're gonna cook it till it's just right in temperature. I'm gonna get some butter into this pan. That's about a couple of tablespoons there. And I can tell that we're already on a little bit too high of a heat. So let's put it there. You'll know if it's too high because it'll start to smoke just like it's doing, and it will brown up really fast. So you might need to turn down the heat if you have a gas stove that cooks at high temperature. All right, let's add the steaks. We'll cook those for about 4 minutes each side, and we'll get the other sides too, sear it up nice, and then we'll just kind of let it cook till we get it to the right temperature we want it to be. And you'll know because if you feel your palm, it has a little bit of a press to it, and that's what we want the steaks to feel like. That's how you'll know that they're that nice medium doneness that you want. All right. Okay, these guys are about done. And here's how we know. When you press into it, it gives just a little rebound. Not a lot. This one right there. That's what it should fill up. Okay, I just want to show you this here. Look how juicy it is on the inside because we sealed in all the juices with that nice sear. So what you're tasting when you taste this is a little bit of a crispy crust on the outside and a tender, juicy, buttery steak on the inside, which is fantastic. So you can look at the color of that one. It may need, this is more like a medium rare. This one's more like medium. You can see that, okay? The way we cooked it. And that's our cowboy steaks. So, and you know the end pieces are always gonna be a little bit more done. So for the person who does not like pink in their steak, mom, that's you, you get the end pieces because those ones, you know, they get cooked through. So that's our steak. That's our cowboy steak with garlic and thyme. Let's check on those vegetables. Oh yeah. So have a look here. Those are delicious and done and buttery and golden brown a little bit from that browned butter. And that look awesome. And we didn't overcook it. It's still gonna have some crisp to it. So that's dinner tonight. So this is a nice steak dinner for your sweetheart, for your family. Enjoy. Bye-bye.